Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by prepping the roll and light source. Remove any inner tube paper and set LED tea light nearby. Measure and mark a 1/2-inch band from one end for the base. This gives you a stable rim. Cut windows or patterns with scissors. Make holes larger for more light, smaller for patterns. Once done, line the inside with wax paper so light diffuses evenly. Make sure to keep the LED accessible. You'll need to fit it in later, without forcing components. Now focus on building the chamber. Place a cardboard circle as a base inside the marked band, then secure the LED tea light or small strip on that base so it centers. Once positioned, press the wax paper against the inner walls. This softens harsh edges and creates an even night glow. If using wired LEDs, route wires through a slit and tape them flat. Make sure to test the light while assembling so you can adjust pattern size or paper thickness for the brightness you want. To finish, close the outer edges with cardstock rings or decorative caps and create an access flap so you can change batteries later. Turn the light on and observe. If it flickers or feels warm, switch to a low-heat LED and verify battery contacts are secure. If glow is uneven, rotate the roll or trim excess paper. Moving the LED slightly closer brightens areas. Finally, make sure materials are stable and non-flammable. Store the night light upright and replace batteries when output drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.